Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to make touch sensor project. With the help of touch sensor, we can control LEDs. Violet, let's start. I am selecting two type of LEDs. One is red and one is white LED. Take breadboard and take -1 as a common cathode and use one resistor. Connect all LEDs short leg as a common cathode. Like this, connect all 11 LEDs. Now take Arduino Uno and touch sensor. Now connect red wire to VCC in touch sensor and black wire to GND pin, and connect white wire to signal pin. Now connect red wire to 5 volts pin in Arduino Uno and black wire to GND pin in Arduino Uno. And white wire to pin number 2 in Arduino Uno. Now take Arduino Uno and connect wires from pin number 13 to pin number 3, total 11 jumper wires. Here is this. Now connect pin number 13 jumper wire to first LED. And connect pin number 12 jumper wire to second LED. Continue this process up to 11th LED. Like this. And now take this common cathode pin and connect to GND pin in Arduino Uno. And we are completed. Now it's time to upload code. Use this data cable to upload code from your computer or laptop. Use Arduino Droid app if you are using Android mobile. I have no computer or laptop, so I am using this OTG cable to connect mobile and upload code. Use this Arduino Droid app to upload your code. Don't worry about the code. You can find this code in my blog. I will leave my blog link in the description. Now compile the code. After successful compile, just upload. It's completed. Now plug out this data cable and use this external power supply cable. You can connect this USB to adapter, or you can use any power bank. Oh, see the magic. When you touch the sensor, first LED is glowing, and when you touch again the sensor, second LED is glowing. I think it is not visible to you. Let's try now. See, it is now one by one LED is glowing when you are touching sensor. It will continue up to 11th LED. It means last LED. And this process will continue. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I think it is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. If you like our content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.